I would describe my internship as motivational. I always have someone here who's going to help me continue to push myself to do the best that I can.
They're very creative, very willing to learn. They've done tremendous things.
I say the most rewarding part is knowing that I'm going to be able to give these cookies to somebody else and it'll make their day.
And you'd be amazed at how many people it takes just to produce one cookie. Because a lot of people are thinking, well, it's just, you just do this and this and this and it's all done. A lot of people touch different products.
It just shows me all the different things that I get to make and all the different flavors. It actually comes to the macarons. I want to learn how to do those for sure. Those always look so fun to make, and the peanut butter one, the Andes mints, and it's just wow.
We have a little bit of creative freedom, and so they can create different things too.
How much I've learned and how much the Career Academy has given to me, the fact that I know that I now have the skill and confidence to make cookies that are going to make other people smile and happy.